Hello my friends, if you see on your car water here on Footwell, I will show you how to fix this. I'm on the Passat. It's Passat diesel 1.9. I will show you directly what to do to fix that water leaking on your Footwell. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to remove this plastic thing first. Yes, okay. Remove that plastic thing here and the battery. Okay, remove this. Okay, so I will show you water here. Look in the other side. Okay, look at this. It's full with water. Okay, so all this water go inside of your car in a Footwell. What we have to do is we have to remove the battery first, okay? And after that I will show you where is that hole blocked, and we have to unblock the hole. Okay, first of all, remove the battery. So it's 10, yeah, removing the battery. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. Look at this. So the key, it was 10 in the others, in one side. Okay. Remember, 10. Okay, after removing the battery, you will see now water here. You see this hole? It's very blocked. We have to open up this hole, okay? So we have 3 bolts here. We have to remove one here, one there, yeah, and another one is here. Okay, what you need is a key, 13 key, okay? This is the number of this key. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay. Okay. Oh, now it's easy. You can remove with your hand. Okay. I'm removing one. And another one is here. You have to remove this third one. Okay, so now this metallic thing, oh, look at this. Okay, here is the hole. This is very blocked, it's dusty. What I have to do, I will try to open up and look at this. Okay, all the water is gone, and now that's it. So we have to clean this up, and this is how you fix this problem. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and God bless you.